drive the right way. Or you're not.
You can go play the game.
Huh?
Go get the controller and go play.
Tegan has to turn still.
Play.
And then Disney does that.
No, you do it.
Mommy.
No, I don't want. Mommy doesn't want to play. You play.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your mommy
No.
has been playing.
Show me how good you can race. Can you do it?
Hold down the aim, Abby. How hard did you squeeze between those?
No, you do it. Show me. Crash. You can crash? No.
Oh my God.
Show me how good you can crash.
Huh? Wow. Oh. Why didn't you go in there? Oh, I keep crashing. Oh.
Ah!
Yeah.
You did say it. What did you say?